rotary wing aircraft enable Papua New Guinea Defence Force to deliver humanitarian assistance and disaster relief in PNG's times of need. They support troop movements operationally in the highlands and on the border, and they conduct supply missions as well. They also support training for the long-range reconnaissance units and for other units within the PNGDF.
I wish to express, sincere gratitude, humbleness, with the availability of this machine and bringing it on board, much more capability,